So I guess I've been reading, the things that I do, and I'm gonna read something I wrote again. This one also doesn't have a name, but I think you'll understand it. I'm basically deformed and emotional cripple. Shattered more times than I can count, it's a ripple. Affected and reborn, but I still can't get out. So when do I finally get to give in, give up, or win? Is this real or some kind of test bout of sins? And if it is, haven't I done my best? No doubt. And if it isn't, then how do you know when it's over? I guess you don't. 1 second you're breathing, the next pushing up clover. So I'll take a minute to spark this bowl, drink a glass of wine, and cry out my soul. It reminds me of every country song I ever hated. Wish I knew that love and friendship weren't so overrated. I could find more meaning in a stranger's embrace, because at least that wouldn't matter if that stranger lied to my face. But I'll be alright with this gaping wound in my chest. I'm known for self-sabotage, and I heard things with holes sank best. If you had me feeling like we were so hashtag blessed, and dreaming of putting up picket fences, each time you let me laugh, I'd lower my defenses. But now each sense is offended. So many chances I gave you, but when did I give you permission to disrespect us? You fucked up. More than just me, now the whole family has trust issues. You wrecked us. And maybe I could forgive you, but I'm not the only one who has to. And what really is important to you after all this? Just to get screwed? Or do you need more attention or want to blow some bridges up? I'll be tearing down your posters. I can't figure it out for the life of me, but I'm pretty sure this gig is up. I'll be tearing down your posters and taking dives on emotional roller coasters. This is one of those times when you're supposed to rely on your best friend, but now I don't have that, so I'll stay quiet and pet the cat. Each day looking more like an arch rival. Put up a fortress, stay solo for my own survival. Grind, pack, spark, and pray Mary take me higher. Enter, dive deep, quiet my center, and kill desire. If only I could be nothing and see through your eyes, it might inspire us all to come together again. Then no one could put out this fire. I know you want me to, so I will.